Hey guys, so today I wanted to talk about grasping skills, specifically when it comes to a cube. And when it comes to development, it's just important to know that you're going to have to straight up memorize a lot of things. But I personally like to give myself a couple of cues to remember that by this month they should have this, at least the main one so that I can then fill in the blanks. And so that's what I'm going to just tell you guys today. And so, when it comes to the cube, your ultimate goal, you could say, for when it comes to a baby, is for them to have that radial digital grasp. And so the way I remember this is that by 8 months, you should have that radial digital grasp because a cube has 8 different corners to it. And so that's how I remember that. And then I'm able to fill in the blank because I know the developmental pattern. And typically, when it comes to development, you have the baby will start holding it on their ulnar side and then it'll transition towards its radial side. And then, yeah, that's pretty much it. I know that by 9 months you have that radial digital grasp with wrist extended, but just to have that landmark of like 8 months with those 8 corners kind of gives me just a reference point to kind of go from there. But to talk about the whole pattern, when the baby's born, typically they might attend to the cube. They might have that reflexive grasp to it. But by 3 months, they might swipe at the cube and potentially voluntarily grasp upon contact, but maybe. But by 4 months, they should have that primitive grasp. And the way I remember this one is that there's 4 squares make a cube. And so you start that development kind of at 4, and then you go to 8, if that makes sense. And so by 4 months, they have that primitive grasp, and then you start seeing that developmental pattern move from the ulna to the radial side. And so 4 months primitive grasp, 5 months palmar grasp, 6 months radial palmar grasp, 7 months radial palmar grasp with the wrist straight, and then 8 months you have that radial digital grasp, and then by 9 months you have that radial digital grasp with wrist extended. So hopefully that helped you guys memorize the grasping skills, and thank you so much, and good luck with studying. Bye!